Alright, good morning guys. So, it is 6:25 a.m. Market opens in 5 minutes. Before market opens, I'm going to cover my analysis I did here and just give you guys my thought process going into this morning where I think price will head. But of course, I don't know, so I need to just adapt to what happens. So going into this morning, we had CPI 8:30. So we have this data high up here. Now, what's all these boxes for? We have a daily fair value gap that CPI news tapped into, and we are tapping into kind of right now. We're just dropping from it now though. The 4-hour gap, same thing, overlapping the daily, tapped into that as well. There's some bullish momentum at the moment, but I have a feeling it's going to reverse, especially at market open, because I mean, look at the last, I don't know how long, since February. So I don't know, we'll see. But I feel like we're gonna dump. When's the last time that hasn't happened? Anyways, so we have all these overlapping PD arrays here. So it's a pretty strong, resistance on price up here. On top of that, so down here we have this hourly gap we saw price tap into. So we're gonna use this as an internal range liquidity, or I guess a range for internal liquidity. I don't know. You get the idea. We can use that as a target. We have all these points of sell side liquidity. We have the London low here, which wasn't swept. London highs were swept immediately, way before market open. And then our buy side liquidity is really just this data high. Otherwise, I mean, I don't know what else. I mean, this swept out so much liquidity, it's not even funny. So for me going into the morning, I don't usually trade on CPI days, but the days I do, well, I don't even remember the last time I traded CPI. But to me, this wick for me will count as my liquidity sweep, especially since it swept so many levels. To me, I don't need to see a sweep of it in order to count that as my liquidity sweep. That counts as my liquidity sweep. I don't know if it is a valid sweep of liquidity, because I guess a lot of people close out their positions before CPI, but maybe they don't, I have no idea. So I'm learning. I don't know everything. But anyways, dropping down to the 15-minute, we don't have very much on the 15-minute other than this gap, which price held really nicely. To be honest, like, I think price is going to go lower based on all these factors. Although price is bullish right now at the moment, just its order flow, I just don't think we're gonna go higher, especially with all of this here. I don't think it will. Maybe it will, man. And if it does, I don't know if I'll trade, because trading inside of these and trying to go long, pushing into these is just not, it just doesn't sit right with me. So I don't know. And then lastly, we have these 5-minute gaps here. So this 5-minute gap was traded off of back here. And ideally I'd want to see it get inversed, but I wouldn't particularly just be entering on that. I'd enter on the CISD we get here. I'm just waiting for this. We have this 5-minute gap here that I think price, okay, we did just retap into it, so that's what I was looking for. I wanted to see a tap off here, and then we can get a break of structure, and I'd enter off the break of structure. So I want to see a nice reaction to the downside off this 5-minute gap here. And then we need to see this 5-minute get inversed. I don't know if I'll wait for it to get inversed. I'm not sure. It'll be a bit more riskier if I don't, so we'll see. Anyways, market just opened. We're getting a strong pusher. Okay, we're about to have an SMT form. As you guys can see, this chart and then this chart. This is NQ on the white screen. Our high. Yes, didn't form that. A third SMT. But I'll get back to you guys once something happens. So like, guys, you can call me the market maker. I mean, what did I say? Anyways, yeah, I don't know. I just looked up from my phone and we just had this fat candle. So I see why, trading CPI day isn't, maybe the best thing to do. But we're gonna make it work, boys. Okay, so we just got our break of structure that we wanted. So lock in. I want to see an inverse of this 5-minute. Okay, wait, this candle's about to close. This will tell us everything we need to know. I want to see a retest of this inverse now, because that's just how I trade. I don't enter off inversions. I enter off retests. What might risk look like? Probably be risking like 6-7 points. Oh my god, I did not just do that. 17-point target. I mean, I'd be okay to drop down all the way. I'd probably do break even at this. Just waiting for a candle closure out of this. I gotta open Tradeovate on my laptop. I almost forgot. Shit, yo, I'm not gonna be able to enter in time. Okay, we're doing one contract. I'm in there. Okay, yo, Drake, actually shut up, bro. I'm gonna trade, dude. I think I'm just gonna do my stop at that high, to be honest. Wait, no. It'd be a buy stop if I'm selling. See, I'm not the smartest of them all. Alright, break even time. And then, fuck, I haven't even set my TP, bro. Yo, it's actually about to hit my, hold on, yo, chill. I gotta set my TP. Buy limit. Pretty sure that's, look at that. Boom, smackaroo. Alright, we'll close that sell limit. Alright, so, boom, trade done. That was 15 points. Wow, okay. I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, I think that's gonna wrap that up. So, I'm not gonna do a recap. I mean, you guys just saw it. The whole in and out of exactly the whole trade. So, yeah, so how much, I have no idea how much I actually made. Let me see. 77 USD to CAD. Okay, 11 hundo. That's pretty gangsta boogie. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up there, boys. I don't know really what else to say. Happy we could come back and get a nice trade after yesterday. You know, yesterday wasn't really the best for my mental. I don't know. It shouldn't have been. I don't know. This wasn't great yesterday. Yeah, I will see you guys Thursday.